Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning how to set up conversion linker on all the pages of the website. We will be using Google Tag Manager for it. So if you don't have a Google Tag Manager account, or if you are unsure how to create a GTM account, I have already created a video for it previously and I have attached its link in the description. Conversion linker is basically a snippet of code which stores the ad click information inside it and make sure that the tracking of the conversion tracking is accurate. Even if users navigates from domain to domain different pages and come back and do performs a conversion, still the conversion linker makes sure that the conversion is attributed correctly. So to set that up in Google Tag Manager, we can directly click a new tag, or you can go into tags. Under tags we can click new. Here we can just name the tag conversion linker. Then click tag configuration. You can see conversion linker tag over here. You would click here, and this is the triggering option, which is where do you want this tag to trigger. We want this tag to trigger on all the pages, so we'll select that and click save. So once this is created, we now have to check if it is working properly. So to do that, you can see an option of preview over here. You click it and enter your website URL. So there is a separate window that gets opened with your website where the tag assistant is connected, and then there's a separate tag assistant window where you can see that the conversion linker has triggered successfully on the website. So you can say check tags fired Google tag conversion linker. So once you are sure that the conversion linker tag is set up correctly, you can just submit it over here, publish, skip. So yeah, now we have a correct conversion linker tag in place. We can just go to the workspace, tags, and check. Yeah, so in the next video I would be taking you through how to create conversion action via Google Tag Manager. So do follow and subscribe to my channel so as to keep yourself updated to any new videos that I